So I hope you've just watched a video that reviews food chains and food webs. Remember, a food chain shows the flow of energy, starting with the sun, the source of pretty much all energy in our world. The bush uses the sun to make its own food for energy, and then the cricket can eat the leaves to get energy, and then the mouse can eat the cricket to get energy, and the snake can eat the mouse to get energy. So the arrow shows how the energy flows. That's a food chain. And a food web shows in a community, in a habitat, how many different animals and plants are interrelated. For instance, down here we have some berries, and the green fly can eat it, or the butterfly, or the titmouse, or the grasshopper. And the ladybird or ladybug might eat the green fly, and in turn might be eaten by the dragonfly or this bird. And the dragonfly might be eaten by a frog, but then the snake could eat the frog, and a buzzard could eat the snake, or the snake could eat this bird. Lots of different ways for energy to flow in a food web. This is what I would like you to do for your assignment about bugs in food webs. And in your journal, you're going to make 4 boxes, and they can be side by side like this. They could be one under the other. I don't care. You're going to have 4 boxes and 4 different categories. The last category over here with a question mark, just leave that for tomorrow. These are the ones we're going to talk about today and the ones you're going to do today. There's a box for animals that eat bugs, any kind of animals, bugs that eat other bugs, and bugs that eat plants. You're going to come up with the names of 2 animals that eat bugs. You'll write the names down there, and you'll draw a little picture of that animal that eats bugs. You'll come up with the names of 2 bugs that eat other bugs. You'll write their names on the line, and you'll draw little pictures. You'll come up with another list, bugs that eat plants, and you'll put those names on the line, and you'll draw little pictures. Now, how are you going to know what goes in what box? Well, we've been talking about bugs during our entomology unit for several weeks now, so you may remember some of the things that go here. But you can also look things up online. And here are some websites, if you want to check them out, that will help you with your food web list. Here's some animals who eat bugs. And this one specifically talks about bugs that people eat. And here are 2 sources that talk about bugs that eat bugs, especially in gardens, because bugs in gardens can really help gardeners keep other bugs from eating their plants. And here's some bugs that are bugs that eat plants that aren't so good for the gardens. And this, just because it's interesting, this one, you don't have to write about it. It's plants that eat bugs. There are actually some plants that eat bugs, and I find that really interesting. So you can use these if you want to. You don't have to. But you do have to fill out 1, 2, 3 charts. And you don't have to make them fancy with boxes around them. I did that just to make a nice looking slide for you. Just show me these 3 categories and names and pictures of 2 things in each category. And that should do it. And then tomorrow, we'll look at the mystery category. I'll see you then. Bye.